with his growing social media following. Tommy Tiangco, son of Navota's Congressman Toby Tiangco and Michelle Romuald-Desiap, has quickly become the internet's newest sensation, delighting netizens with his lighthearted and funny videos. From Facebook to TikTok and YouTube, Tommy has been winning over netizens with his unassuming charm and talent for self-deprecating humor. Tommy has a management degree from Ateneo de Manila University, and profile indicates that he is working as a financial analyst for San Miguel Corporation. He is also the founder of Mito Construction and Development Corporation. Tommy, who has been lifting weights since he was 18, bagged the Fitspiration Youth Award in 2018. He joined Century Tuna's Superbods the same year, where he bagged the Super Bod Beach Bod and People's Choice Special Awards. Beyond weightlifting, Tommy also enjoys playing basketball and tennis. While Tommy's professional career projects a serious image, his life as a digital creator reveals a playful, perhaps even too playful side. Netizens describe him as a bundle of energy who doesn't take himself too seriously, as shown in the wacky videos he shares on social media. Most of the time, you'll see Tommy dancing silly by himself, including one where he can be seen dancing and twerking in the background while his dad eats nonchalantly. In July this year, Tommy, along with Timothy Laud, the son of entrepreneur Small Laud, launched the YouTube channel Tim Untom. The two delighted netizens with their humor as they gamely took on various challenges for the fun of it. In a recent episode of Tim Untom, Tommy sported a full Dora the Explorer costume while walking around BGC, a playful consequence of losing a bet to Timothy. Uploaded on September 7, 2025, the episode has already garnered over 300,000 views and 20,000 likes, and yes, Tommy didn't love being Dora that day, but he nailed it. His mom, Michelle, seemed to think otherwise, though. She said, "Di na cute si Dora." Tommy Tiangco, son of Navota's Congressman Toby Tiangco, has recently been making waves online after sharing a heartfelt appreciation post for his father that quickly caught the attention of netizens. Tommy wrote, "Thank you for everything you've given me and everything you've taught me. Dad, I've never been prouder to be your son. It's an honor not only to share the same name as you, but also to carry the values you've lived by every single day." What inspires me most is how you lead by example, showing me that real strength is about character, integrity, and standing firm no matter how difficult the road gets. You've taught me that success isn't just about what you achieve, but about how you achieve it and the kind of person you choose to be in the process. To be at least half the man you are is something I will always strive for. You've set the standard of what it means to live with purpose and principle, and I can only hope to live up to that example in my own life. I'm grateful every day that I get to call you my dad. To be your son will always be one of the greatest honors of my life. Aside from his heartfelt tribute, Tommy is also recognized for his fitness journey. In 2018, he won the Fitspiration Youth Award and later went on to join Century Tuna Superbods, continuing his advocacy to inspire others through health and fitness. He also graduated from the Ateneo de Manila University with a degree in management and worked as a financial analyst. He revealed in an interview with Business Mirror that he used to be a morbidly obese teen, and this inspired him to try lifting weights at age 18. Tommy Tiangco said his biggest inspiration was his father, Congressman Toby Tiangco. My dad got me a personal trainer. He wanted me to be able to build my dream physique in a sustainable and healthy way. This is when I instantly fell in love with lifting weights, he said. Tommy has been actively showing support for his father on social media, even including him in some of his live streams, which has gained mixed reactions from netizens. He remains determined to uphold and protect his family's reputation. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.